my headache. Passenger power window is not working from main switch, so I spent ton of time to figure out is it this switch is not working, or wiring, or harnesses. And for the last I put direct from here's wire from pin number 7 and pin number 8. I put direct to the passenger side harnesses, and then it's working. So I check it with the original wires and like connect it like this. So pin number 8 is going to pin number 7, and pin number 5 going to pin number 4. So I connected it direct to the motor, and look what happens. Still don't know why it's shaking a little bit when it's going down, but it's working. So I'm happy. And it means that if switcher is not working, it's not just one switch. It means it could be another switch that doesn't work. So this switch has some shortness inside it, and I should figure out that this is not so big problem, because I know where right now where is the problem. So the main part